This what?
They're such a waste to
You
buy dolls.
Did you wrap this? No. What did you do? Oh, you had your mom pick it up.
Here you go. Here.
Wait, I can get it. It's a gimmick. This is real. I'll just put it in a different box.
What?
Scissors around here somewhere.
No. I told him he bought it on his credit card. He already had it sent to his mom's. She wrapped it. See, I have it all.
Like a detective.
We're going to put it in a different box and wrap it 6 more times. Because, you know. And he was mad because I wasn't asking him about it. See? I'm not dumb.
Look at all that pretty ribbon. You didn't even look at the front of it.
Beautiful.
What is it?
I probably know what it is, but I'm not going to say in room training.
And she knew all about it.
No, I just have a feeling I know what it is.
I bet you don't.
I bet you
I
do.
bet you're clueless.
No.
I bet you are.
Come on, Heidi. Jesus,
I want to
we wouldn't
see
put
it.
freaking... Did you tell her to do this?
There, see, I told you, never know what it was.
Yeah, it's not this. Because I bought you this last year.
No, you didn't. I bought it myself. What is it?
I think I know what it is.
What is it?
Yep, that's what I thought it was, an iPad. I knew that was what you were going to get me.
How?
Because you were talking about it and you kept showing, is this a good deal? And he's putting it on the internet. Like I had,
I don't know how you knew because every day we